Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to heights and distances. We shall quickly see the trigonometry formula. In a right angle triangle AOB, where the angle AOB is defined as theta, we can say sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. That is AB by OB. And cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, OA by OB. And the tan theta is opposite by adjacent, AB by OA. A table is given for sin theta, cos theta and tan theta for different angles. We can see. These are the fundamentals which we can refresh now. Further, cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta and secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. And finally, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Next, we shall see the concept of angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line of sight and the object that is above you. We can see the horizontal line and an object above us. The angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight. Similarly, the angle of depression is the angle between horizontal line and the line of sight. That is the line of sight of the object which is below the horizontal line. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.